Hi friends. Today we are going to see how to recover data from a broken laptop hard disk. To recover a hard disk, you need a 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. This contains a 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure, an USB Type A by M to USB Micro B by M data cable. Now we have a 2.5-inch hard disk. This I took from a old not working laptop. Let's unscrew and remove the metal case from the HDD. Now remove the top cover from the external hard disk case. After that, insert the hard disk in the case. It's simple and easy. And insert the top panel of the external hard disk case. After that, plug the data cable in the case. Now connect the USB Micro B by M in the laptop. When it's connected, this will open the partitions automatically. I will show in disk management. Here, disk 1 is the external hard disk. Now let's start to recover the files from the HDD. That's all friends. Please subscribe my channel.